used to burn that you cool when you run round by yourself.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Korina and this is SwatchQueen. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to play with the Ring the Alarm palette from the Vault collection of Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. Let's get started. First, I'm going to get Morphe M330 brush and get this first shadow, which is Rush. It's going to be my transition shade. It is a matte amber as described online in the Morphe website. So here I'm going to blend the transition shade and keep that V shape on the outer corner of my eye. Next is the shadow framed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack this shadow on my lid, fully pack it, and blend it upwards, connecting to the first shade, which is Rush. As you guys can see, I'm connecting the two shadows, Rush and Frame, blending them slowly and gently with light-handed. I'm still using the same brush, which is the M330. I will also keep that V shape at the outer corner of my eye. I have some fallouts, but it's nothing serious. This palette is very pigmented and just normal to have fallouts. Okay, so I'm doing my other eye, and again, I'm packing the shadow and blend it upwards. It's better to use a little pigment than having a lot and then you can't control it anymore and you can't take back. So it is a lot of blending, but it works for me this way rather than packing it all up and I can't blend it with the other color and it goes muddy. And I'm just blending here upwards, trying to blend Rush and Frame together. And I'm still blending. I want you guys to see how I blend and how it takes time to get a very good blended eyeshadow. Okay, so here I'm picking up Brush again and intensify that orange color. Then here I pick up a new clean brush to blend the edges of the shadow. For a third shade, I'm going to get this bomb ass with a packing brush. So I'm just going to put that on my lid. But it's not giving a lot of payoff for the pigment. So what I'm going to do is get the shadow with my finger and look at that. That's a lot of pigment showed up. I'm going to do the same thing for my other eye. I'm going to blend it afterwards. You may not guys see it on video, but this shade is fire red. I'm going to get my Morphe 36 brush and get LOLLI for my inner corner, the inner corner of my eye, blending it to bum ass. So LOLLI is described as shimmering peach rosé at the Morphe website, and it's a great eyeshadow. So here I'm just blending, connecting LOLLI with bum ass and putting it on the inner corner of my eye and extending it to make my eyes bigger and brighter. And then I go back with my fingers just to intensify the pigment of LOLLI. And then blend the shadows. This one is bomb ass, so I went back again, reapply it and blend it. And this one is framed, so I intensify this dark shadow to make the lighter shadows pop. And blend that as well. Okay, for my under eye, I'm going to put framed with my E36 brush. And this is just the same brush. I didn't even clean it. So I'm going to smoke framed and connect it to the outer corner of my eye. Get Rush with a blending brush and smoke it. Blend it with framed. And then I got the E36 brush again and connect bum ass to frame under my eyes. It is pretty simple, but it's not quick because there's a lot of blending involved. So here I'm going to get the Anastasia Dream palette. It's a highlight palette, and I'm gonna take Unicorn and Ethereal, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye for a pop of color. I love this trick. It makes your eye big and bright. And here I'm just using the same E36 brush. I'm going to get the Ethereal again. Ethereal. And try to blend it, connect it. That's a nice shimmer, highlight, pop of color. Here with a clean brush, I'm just blending the edges to take off that harsh line. For my liquid eyeliner, I'm going to get the Stila. This is one of my favorites. It's really easy to use. I like felt eyeliners. So I didn't want a thick wing liner, so I just kept it thin and simple. You know, I don't want to cover all that eyeshadow we just blended. So this one is the Maybelline Big Shot mascara. Drugstores are still my favorite mascaras, and I think they're very good quality for the price. So here is the eye look. And then I blend some more. I know, when are we ever going to be done? Here I'm gonna get the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. Give Me Sun. Just put it the way you contour or bronze your face. My cheeks, under my cheekbones, and jawline. Also, I contoured my nose when I put my foundation. And then next, I'm gonna get the Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow. This is very underrated. A lot of people don't like it, but it smells so good and it's really good. So for the bronzer, I'm gonna put it on my forehead and cheeks. The highlighter, I'm going to put it at high points of my face. Always chin, nose, upper lips, forehead, and cheekbone. And also I put a little bit under my eye just to get that glowy skin. For my lips, I'm going to use the MAC Stripdown Lipliner. I put it on already. And for my lipstick, I'm going to use the Sunday Funday from Too Faced Peach Kiss. This is a matte lipstick. I like the formula of this lipstick. Yes, work it. Okay, for my lashes, I'm going to put House of Lashes, which is Feather It. I'm also going to use Dupe. It's a Japanese eyelash glue. I normally don't use fake eyelashes, but for this look, I'm giving exemption. I love it. Don't you love it? So last thing I'm gonna do is setting spray from Morphe, the Continuous setting spray, and dry it with a fan. And this is the look. I hope you guys like it. What do you think? Please let me know what you think. Put a comment down below. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Also, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. I love you guys.